Okay, I'm going to show a quick, easy installation of this. First off, it's simple as it's just two simple brackets. Mine's an inside mount, so I'm going to be doing the top portion here. If you have it outside, you're going to be using this bottom portion here. The way these brackets work are simply once they're attached to the wall, this blind piece will then slide right in and it'll lock it into place. So you can see this white piece here will push in. So now I'm going to simply get these brackets installed. All it takes is 4 screws. You'll see how easy the process is. Okay, I'm super impressed on how well these are packaged. I just wanted to state that. You don't have to worry about any issues with it kind of getting bumped around or anything within the packaging. Something else that they did is they put this felt piece here. Basically, it's just going to protect the light so it doesn't come through the top, so it just gives you more blackout, and I'm really excited to test it. Again, once I got these set, they got those spring pieces here, so it's super easy to install. All you have to do is line it up, basically find out that spot where you want it. Once you get that alignment perfect, then you're just going to push those pieces in. It's going to snap in and it's going to lock into place. So now we have it nice and sturdy. Something else that this thing came with as well is it's got this nice little pull down piece here. So I can add that to the window. You can kind of center it where you want. And now we have an open and a close. So you can pull it down. It will stop wherever you would like. Simply just press it back up. It will stop it where you like. You can have it go all the way up. So now we're going to test out and see how well blackout really works. Okay, I got the ladder out of the way. Just want to kind of give a good example of how well this works. I have the light off, so there's no light in the room, just the light that's coming in from the window currently. So kind of give you an example on how well this does for the blackout portion. Coming all the way down. Again, you have this little handle here, so you can kind of press and see. So you can see it takes out and blocks out all that light tremendously. Really impressed with how well it does. The only light that is coming through is just a little bit of light here on the sides. But if you have curtains already that you have, those curtains kind of cover those sides, so it's not a huge deal. Mainly taking most of the brunt of the light out. So absolutely love them. Perfect, easy to install. That's the best part, and love the price.